Okay, so we're going to start now. I'm going to open the PowerPoint. It might take a few minutes, so just focus and wait. Here we go, it's opening. All right, can everyone see the screen? Give me a thumbs up if you can see the screen. Awesome, thank you, Nadir. And Zana and Irene, thank you. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to start the PowerPoint. First, we have here, it says, what is today? Today is Tuesday, August 11th, the year 2020. Let's start. Okay, so today we will talk about adding two-digit numbers with regrouping. So let's see what that means. Let's start. The objectives of today's lesson, we will explain what is the difference between one. Okay, so let's start. First thing, what is a one-digit number, or what are one-digit numbers? Numbers are numbers that have the value of 1, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and okay, that's it. Yeah, up to 9. So up to 9, here, let's go back. Up to 9 is a one-digit number. After 9, we have 10. 10 is actually a two-digit number. So let's see. What are two-digit numbers? Two-digit numbers have numbers in the tens and in the ones place. So remember yesterday when we were doing the addition of two-digit numbers, you have the tens and the ones. They have numbers in the tens and in the one. Okay, like 10, 35, 64, 99, 58. All of these are two-digit numbers. Okay, so remember we said, what should I do when I add two-digit numbers? Who remembers? We said we make vertical addition, right? And we add them up. Let's look here. So when we add two-digit numbers, we put the tens in a chart and the ones in another chart. And then we add the ones and then we add the tens. So example, remember yesterday, like if we said 15 plus 43 equals, what did we do first? We put the tens and the ones in their place. So here's a 5 for the 15 and the 1 is in the tens. And the same thing with 43. The 3 goes in the ones and the 4 goes in the tens. Then we said we go to the ones and we look at the ones and we say 5 plus 3 is 8. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is how we add two-digit numbers. Now, what happens? Let's see what happens. Wait, if we add two-digit numbers that are too big. Let's look here. I'll show you. Let's see. Like we know the number 5 plus 7 is how much? Let's put the bigger number in ahead. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So what happens if in the ones we had a number that it came out 12? How are we going to put the 12 in the ones? This is when we do something called regrouping, okay? So let's look here. What is regrouping? Let's say here we have 15 plus 47, okay? So how do we add 15 plus 47? First, we go to 5 plus 7. We said 5 plus 7 is 12. So how am I going to put 12 in the ones? We can't. So here, we will do regrouping. How do we do regrouping? It's easy. So the answer will be 12. When we do regrouping, we're going to take the tens, which is what is the tens here? Is 1. And we're going to put it all the way up on top of the tens. So did you see what happened? The answer was 12. We're going to take the tens away, and we're going to put it on top of the other tens. So it goes up on top of the other tens. So now we have 1 and 1 and 4. We're going to add all of those numbers together, the 3 numbers. So what is 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4 is 5. But then we have that 1 on top. We're going to add it to the rest. So 1 plus 1 plus 4. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 plus 4 is 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. We add those 3 numbers together. And that is how we do regrouping. So 15 plus 47 equals 62. So now we're going to try another example. I want you to pay attention. Is everyone paying attention? Because I'm going to ask you some questions when I finish explaining it. I'm going to want you to participate. So pay attention. I want to make sure everyone's focusing. Okay. So now let's look at another example. What is 48 plus 29? Like usual, when we have 2-digit numbers, we're going to put them in the tens and the ones. So 48 is going to go in the tens and the ones. The 8 goes in the ones, and the 4 goes in the tens. And then we have 29. The 9 goes in the ones, and the 2 goes in the tens. And we're going to add them up. First, we look at the ones. 8 plus 9. We put the bigger number in our head, 9, and we add on. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 8 plus 9 is 17. It's a big number. We can't keep the 17 in the ones. What are we going to do? We have to move them. What did we say we do? We move the tens and put it on top of the other tens. So 17, what is the tens? It's the 1. So the 1 is going to go up on top of the other tens. So now we have 1 plus 4 plus 2. Who can tell me what is 1 plus 4 plus 2? Show me with your fingers. Who can show me? What is 1 plus 4 plus 2? Everyone needs to turn their camera on so I can see them, please. So let's do it together. Let's do it together. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is how much? Tia, can you show me with your fingers? How much is 5 plus 2? Let me see. Bring your fingers a little this way. I can't see them all. Bring it to the other way. The other way. The other way. Excellent, Tia. Excellent. It's 7. So 48 plus 29 is 7. There's some people, let me see. I'm going to look at the camera. Who's not paying attention? I need Elma to turn her camera on. And Ziyad. And Tala. And Ali. Can you please turn your cameras on so I can see everyone? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ziad. Nice to see you, Ziad. I want to see your face. Thank you. Keep the camera on so I can see you and we can participate. Okay. So let's go to the next one. This is the last one I'm going to do by myself, and now I'm going to ask you guys to help me with the next one. So here we have, what is 26 plus 19? So we put the numbers, the 6 goes in the ones, and the 2s goes in the tens, plus 19. Okay, let's see, what is the answer? First, we go to 6 plus 9. What do? We put the bigger number in our head, so 9, and we're going to add on 6. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 plus 9 is 15. We said we can't keep the 2-digit numbers in the ones, so the tens has to go all the way up with the other tens. So that one, where's the tens here in 15? 1. So it's going to go all the way to the top. We're going to write 1 on the top. And now we're going to add those 3 numbers. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 is how much? 1 plus, show me with your fingers. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. Plus another 1. How much is it? We have another one here. 4. Excellent. Is your name Nov? Is your name Nov, sweetie? We have long black hair. You're doing a great job. Nadir, can you show me with your fingers? How much is 1 plus 2 plus 1? 1 plus 2. 3 plus 1, another 1. 4. Excellent. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 45. Now another one. Let's keep practicing, because the more we practice, the more the idea will stick in our head and we'll never forget. Okay, let's see. The next number is 34 plus 56. We're going to put in 34, the 4s goes in the 1s and the 3 goes in the 10s. And 56, the 6 goes in the 1s and the 5 goes in the 10s. We start with the 1s. 4 plus 6. I want to see someone show me who can tell me. I'm going to ask somebody. Who can tell me what is 4 plus 6? Everyone needs to turn their cameras on. Abdullah, Ahmed, Ali. I can't see you. Turn your cameras on. Let me see. Oh, I see some hands. Who's this? Who's raising their hands? Zareen? What's your name? Zarina. Ghazali. Yeah, you were the boy wearing the yellow shirt. Can you yes, okay. Wait. Can you unmute yourself?
Okay.
Okay, great job. Can you tell me, what is 4 plus 6? Wait, I have to find you again. There's a problem with the microphone. Excellent. I see some people answering with their hands. Excellent. Great job. Okay, wait. Did you unmute yourself, sweetie, with the yellow shirt?
Yeah.
What is 4 plus 6?
10.
So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Great job. And a lot of you answered with your fingers. Great job. It's 10. Now, Somebody else. What do I do now after we got the 10? Who can tell me? What do we do? I see Taline. Taline, you want to help me? Now what do we do, Taline?
We put the big number in our head, then we count.
Okay, excellent. And we counted. So we got 10. Hala, after I have the 10, do I leave the 10 in the 1 in the ones column?
8.
Yeah, I have to. Excellent. 3 plus 5 is 8. But the 10, see how in the ones we have 10? We can't leave the 10 there, okay? So what are we going to do, Taline? I'll show you. We are going to move the 1 from the 10s. It's going to go up, up, up on top of the 3. See? So now we have 8 plus 1. So did you see what we did there? I'll show you again. We had 4 plus 6 is 10, but we can't leave the 10 in the ones. So we're going to take the 10s from the number 10 and put it up on the top. So we're taking the 1 and it goes on the top. Okay, who can, let me see, who can add for me? Eileen. Eileen, can you unmute yourself so I can hear you? Okay, excellent. I can hear you now, Eileen. What is 3 plus 5?
3. 8.
8, but we have that 1 on top. Don't forget about the 1 on top. We have to add the 1. How much is it? 8 plus 1.
8. 9.
Excellent, Eileen. Thank you. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, let's see. Somebody else. So let's see. What number do we have here? 17 plus 14. Let me choose someone who's paying attention. Celine.
Yes.
7 plus 4. How much is 7 plus 4, Celine?
11.
7 plus 4. We put the bigger number in our head, 7, and we're going to add 4. So 7.
9, 10, 11.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you, Celine. So it's 11. What will we do with the 11, Zana?
The one and the one up.
Excellent, Zana. We're going to put the 1 from the 10s up. Excellent. Can you do it for me? Okay. So now what do we do, Zana? How do we count this?
1, 3.
Amazing. Thank you, Zana. Amazing. Good job. So it's 3. Oh, wait. I went to the next slide too fast. Let's go back. Okay. So what was 17 plus 14? It's 31. Okay. Now let's go to someone else who's going to help me. The numbers are what is 85 plus 5? Let me see. Who's going to help me with this one? Who didn't answer me yet? Let me look on the see all the fingers. How about everyone? Inshallah will have a turn. Let me see. Who didn't? Omar, you helped me yesterday. I want someone who didn't help me yesterday. There's some people who didn't have any turns. Nadir, did you help me yesterday? Okay, Yalla, Nadir, it's your turn. Wait to unmute you. Okay, I can hear you now, Nader. Yalla, Nader. What is 5 plus 5?
10.
Awesome. 5 plus 5 is 10. Great job, Nader. Okay. Wait. Now, somebody else. Let's see. Who didn't help me yet? I want to see some fingers. Ahmed, Jawad. Okay, I'm going to unmute you, Ahmed. Okay, Ahmed, I can hear you. What did we do now after we have the 10? Ahmed, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 10. What do we do now with the 10?
We will take from the 10 the
Yes, the 1. Wait, I can't hear you. Ahmed, are you still there? Wait, Ahmed, I think you muted yourself by mistake.
we will take from the 10 a 1.
Excellent. And where are we going to put it? Where?
Under the 8.
On top of the 8, not under, on the top of the 8. Excellent. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you. So we're going to put the 1 on top of the 8. Now what do we do? Let me see some fingers. Everyone needs to turn their camera on so I can see them. Ziad Sharan. Ziad Sharan. Hello, Ziad.
Hello.
Okay, Ziad. Can you keep so I can see you the whole time? I didn't know you were with us because I didn't see you. So tell me, now we have the 8 and the 1. What will we do? We will add them, right?
Yes.
So what is 8 plus 1?
9.
So what is the answer in the end? 85 plus 5.
What?
What is the answer in the end? 85 plus 5. And what the answer did we get?
90.
Excellent, Ziad. We got 90. Thank you, Ziad. Okay, so now I think we have time for one more exercise. I want somebody else to practice with me who didn't practice. Let's try, yes, this one. Okay. Who didn't participate? Let me see. Okay, first the numbers we have is 17 plus 14. Let me see some people who didn't participate yet. I don't know. There's someone, his name is, or no, Tala. Tala, you want to participate with us? Tala? Can you hear me, Tala? Okay, wait. Maybe there's a problem. Who didn't participate with us yet? Naya. Okay, Naya. Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Can you hear me? Oh, wait, you have to unmute yourself. Okay. What is 7 plus 4, Naya? 7 plus 4. Come on. You can do it. We're almost
11.
Huh? 11. Awesome. 11. Okay, great job. Now, who else? Let's see. Who didn't answer today? Zaina. Is your name Zaina? I'm trying to unmute you. Okay, Zaina, I can hear you. What do we do now, Zaina, with the 11? What do we do with the 11, Zaina? What do we do with the 11? Not Zaina Hashash, there's another Zaina. Okay? To not confuse you. Okay, I think Zaina needs help. So let's see, who can help Zaina? Muhammad. Or no, wait, Zaid. No, wait. Zaid, yalla Zaid. Okay, Zaid, what do we do with the 11?
Replace it at the 10.
Excellent. Excellent. We place it on top. So here we have the 11. Okay. Now I want Joy. Is her name Joy? Abdul Hadi. What's your name, sweetie? Julie, not Joy. Julie. Sorry. Julie. What do we do now? 1 and 1 and 1. We add them, right? What's the answer?
3.
Awesome. So 17 plus 14 is 31. Excellent. Okay. I think, okay, we're almost out of time, everyone. So, did everyone learn today about addition with regrouping? Did everyone? Oh, Saad, you're here. I didn't see you. Did you have your camera off? And here's another sweetie. I didn't see all of your pictures. You have to keep your camera on so I can see you, okay? So next time, inshallah, tomorrow, you'll participate in the class. So did everyone learn about addition, adding 2-digit numbers with regrouping? Give me 2 thumbs up if you learned it and you know it. Give me high fives if you're never going to forget how to add 2-digit numbers. Give me a bunch of high fives. I want to see who learned. Zaina, and Taleen, and Julie, and Zaid, and Eileen, and Omar, and Natalie, and Nader, and Saad, everyone, and Tia, and Ziad, and Yusuf, and Ziwar. Good, thank you, Ziwar. Okay. But make sure tomorrow you make sure, because not everybody, their names is not their name. Make sure it's your name and not his name or your daddy's name. Make sure your Zoom account has your name so that I can know what your name is. Because some of you don't have your names. All right? Everyone say bye to each other. We're out of time.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.